Yeah, man. So I walked in the house and they were
Hey,
wearing
Joey, what sound does a nail gun make?
pew pew, pew 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 pew. Hey, Preston, what sound does a nail gun make?
What sound does a nail gun make? Kaboom. Kaboom, boom, boom, boom.
David, what sound does a nail gun make?
Ka-ching. Ka-ching, ka-ching, ka-ching.
If you're a homeowner in the upstate area and you have a roof that's older than 10 years old, comment roof below and we'll be out to look at your roof within 24 to 48 hours.